I'm Jenna, and I'm going to go over some tips and tricks for secure high back carry. We're going to go over how to end up with a smaller knot, how to keep baby nice and high, and how to spread the passes over your back. This is a base size carry, so I'm using my size 5, which still has a knot in it from the last time I did this carry. You're going to need to find your center and get baby on your back however you prefer. I'm going to do a Superman toss. So, and I like to do Superman toss actually with baby sitting in front of me facing out so I don't have to cross my arms. So then I'm going to put him on my back and go ahead and make a seat. Okay, so I've got my seat. Let me get his little arms out. These demo babies are sometimes a pain to wrap. Okay, so it doesn't matter which side you do over your shoulder and which side you do under your arm. I'm right-handed, so I tend to do my right side over. So I'm just gonna kind of gather it up, make sure it's not too loose, and then put it between my legs and recover my baby's foot. The demo babies do this a lot, but sometimes you'll get your actual baby's foot caught there too. So that side over, and then this side is going to go under, and I'm going to make sure I go over my baby's foot. So I end up here. Most people tend to take this bottom piece across to tie their knot, which is totally fine, but your knot ends up kind of big that way. So to end up with a smaller knot, which is more similar to Christina's ruckless or ruckless bikini carry, how they end up, which all of the 3 carries are the same. It's just the method of getting there that's a little bit different, and I find this method the easiest. So you've got your top piece and your bottom piece. You're going to take your top piece over, so top piece on top, then reach under and just tie your knot that way. So there we are. I still have a knot, an actual knot, but as you can see, as I finish the carry, it's not going to be quite so big. If baby is a little bit too low here, I'm going to just loosen and make that happen. Always check at this point because you can tighten it up. So baby is a little bit too low, so I'm going to push him up to where I want him, kind of hold him there and lean forward, and then tighten my knot up. And then when I stand back up, he's in a much better position. So now to finish the carry. Don't worry that this is high up on your neck because you're going to pull it down as you do the carry. So I have this side under my arm, so I need to take this side over my arm too, or over my shoulder. I'm going to fan this across my arm, then I'm going to concentrate on bringing this top rail across to the other side. So I'm going to reach, grab this brown part, and make sure I tuck it up on my shoulder and reach behind, pull across, gather strand by strand, and then this goes under baby's leg, and I'm going to tuck that one between my knees. So now it's high up on my neck, not super comfortable, but if I take this other piece here, just give it a good yank down. 1, it gets everything nice and tight, which is good. 2, it pulls it down from my neck. So now I'm going to put this over top of my chest, just like I did on the other side. Pass behind me, and again, concentrate on that same rail, which on my rep is the brown. You can see. So I'm going to pass it behind me and pass this top piece to my other hand. Pull it out, kind of out and over. And then tighten strand by strand under baby's leg. And you can tie off at your waist. I'm pregnant, so I'm going to tie off above my waist with a double knot. So there you go. You can see that the knot here is much smaller. It looks similar to Christina's ruckless finish. And you can actually spread this over your chest too. I find it works better for larger chested people. Kind of tends to ride up on me, but I'll just rewind and show you. At this point, once you've got baby as high as you want, spread this bottom side over your chest. Continue the carry. I'll just speed through this part this time. You can see it keeps riding up on me, but if I had more there to hold it in place, it would stay. Under, and then same thing, give it a good yank. And then just before you pass it, spread that over your chest and then reach behind. Give it a nice little bounce and wiggle there, and then go ahead and tie off. So that is secure high back carry. I can actually show you too, had I not spread these chest passes, so they're a little looser than they should have been. If you are pregnant, again, or don't like anything on your waist, you can also do a knotless finish. Take each tail, pull this knot out, and you're gonna go from the inside, pull this over your chest, out. Then this side again should go under baby's leg, on top of your chest, and from the inside, out, and you can give it a nice final little tug to tighten. So that's we have the knot, beginning of the carry, but a knotless finish for the end, so that it's not on your waist. So there you go, secure high back carry. Thanks, and here it is from the back.